Welcome back to Daytime Live. Listen to me, people. We love an initiative that is about the development and growth of our youth.
True.
Love it. Joining us today to talk about the Little Genius competition, we have Tashana Mullings. Welcome, Tashana.
Welcome to Sean.
Looking
so much.
fabulous. The hair and the pink and the nails and yes.
I was trying to match.
Me not pink, look pink.
That
Pink,
is
pink,
it.
pink, pink.
That
Pink
is
is
it.
there.
So
That is it.
tell us, Tashana, what inspired you to start an initiative like this?
Well, first of all, born and raised in the parish of St. Thomas.
Aye.
So these are the
Aye.
days when big things are going to St. Thomas,
Sure.
from the
Aye.
highway to the urban center.
Aye.
So a lot of more things are going to be rolling out. But back then, I thought I wanted to see my people more confident. I wanted to see them making moves, advocating for themselves. And that's how I started Little Genius Show, because somebody said, what is in your hand? I didn't have money at that time, but at that time I was honing my own public speaking skills, having overcome my own personal challenges.
Wow.
And so I started Little Genius competition.
Yeah. So, okay, speaking of public speaking, it's something that a lot of adults have a hard time to do. So,
Yes.
how will persons involved in the Little Genius competition, how will it help them, those who are taking part? What kind of activities do you have curated specifically to address those kind of impending or upcoming concerns they may have in the future?
So these are kids between 8 and 11, right? And
Ah.
glossophobia is a real thing, which is
Yeah.
the fear of public speaking.
It's called what?
Glossophobia.
Glossophobia.
Right.
Okay.
And so the kids at this age, remember when you're young, you dream big,
Yeah.
you're at a level of confidence.
Yeah.
If you're in a small room with kids and you say, if you are the greatest, raise your hand. Everybody's hands goes up,
True.
But when it comes to adults, who is the greatest? People are looking around to see if...
Yeah, I don't want anybody to think I don't want anybody to think I am. Yeah.
Right? So we're inculcating that idea through debate, critical thinking, talent. It's just a lot, because some of them are so bright and so stiff from that age. And I'm like, being bright is not just about knowing facts and engaging in your critical thinking skills, but it's also exploring all of you, your full suite of talents.
Not
Free up.
book smart. like,
Yeah,
but
free up yourself. So,
Love this,
we're
yeah.
dancing,
Wow.
drama, everything.
You just calling my name. You just keep
Yeah.
talking my name. I'm like, yes.
So when does Little Genius take place?
Little Genius takes place on Child's Month. This year is going to be the 26th of March, 2024. And it's just an all-month celebration. So the trainings have already started. So they're going to be training from now all the way up, because it's not just about the night of the show.
Right.
When you see them in their tuxedos and their suits and they're on stage. This year, it's going to be a whole production. So the debates are going to be like a parliament setup.
Oh.
So it's
Yeah.
going to be the kids in parliament doing their thing.
Wow,
So if you were
excellent.
there last year and you think that was something, make sure you're there this year. It's going to be somewhere in Kingston.
Okay, it's going to be somewhere in Kingston. Excited. Is there a theme this year? Like, what can we expect?
So we've done lots of themes, from integrity to Vision 2030. But this year, we're looking at the new Jamaica. So there's a lot of talk about constitutional reform, about Jamaica becoming a republic. And trust me, these kids at 8, at 9, 10, and 11, they are putting the facts down and their opinions. Trust me. So we teach them basically, how do you share your ideas? We teach them a method called peel, point, evaluate, elaborate, link. And using peel, it's amazing what they produce on stage. So
I feel like we need to have one for
That's impressive.
big people. I feel like
Yeah, we need one of them.
I feel like I need one of
We need a
those
big genius,
constitutional
Yeah, we need a big
reform.
genius.
Constitutional reform. Okay.
So what has your feedback been like from the children that have gone through the whole process of Little Genius, and the parents that their kids went through it?
Well, the current winner, his name is Malachi Aaron Wilkins. He's a true genius. He can tell you everything about all the global wars, all the presidents, all the flags. In his spare time, he listens to international news.
Okay.
He knows every single dinosaur on the face of the earth.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Right?
Right.
So, and there are other winners who are now, running the Kiwanis Club in the Cayman Islands. That's Mr. Raldine Thomas, they're all over. By now, they're Little Genius winners who are in university because we started back in 2013. And we do keep a link with them. And the great thing is that they come back to train the Little Geniuses that are in the current competition. Even the parents are a part of the movement.
I love that.
They're on the Zoom calls.
Love that.
They're listening to everything. You know, they're being trained as well because they don't leave the kids.
So Tishana, I know that there's a lot of persons watching now. In fact, I'm a little jealous because my daughter is 19, so she's not little kids anymore.
Can't enter
She's
again.
big people again now.
We have to do a big genius for you.
Like middle-aged genius, you know, for the old people. But persons who are watching now who are triggered by this and just really want to be involved, excited, how can parents sign up? And children, anybody who wants to sign up, how can they sign up?
So because they're between 8 and 11, their parents must be involved in the process.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you can enter through your school or through your parents. So literally any child between 8 and 11 at the primary level in Jamaica can enter. On Instagram, we're at Little Genius JA, and the application form is linked there. Our public number is 446-7430, so you can reach us there. You'll reach Rachel there, and she will be nice to you. So yeah, that's how you reach us.
And Little Genius is affiliated with every school?
Any school can enter.
It don't matter, there's no exclusion.
No exclusion.
No, like you only need to be from this parish or that.
Whether it's a prep school, primary school, homeschooled.
Genius all over.
Homeschool. All right.
Yeah, homeschooled.
And what's the number one more time? 444?
446
446
7430.
7430.
Thank you so much for joining us, Tishana.
Yeah.
Everybody, please remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah.